Only a 1% net gain remaining for the entire year of 2025 on the S&P 500. What am I referring to and what you could potentially do differently to have more gains in your IRA, Roth, and non-qualified account? My name is David, fiduciary flat fee financial advisor and tax strategist and owner of Awaken Financial Designs. Recently, Barclays and several other companies came out with their price predictions or estimates on the S&P 500. Barclays said it would end at 5,900. Other firms have averaged 6,000. Well, that's only about roughly a 3% remaining gain potential for the entire year. However, when you factor in inflation, let's call it even 2.5%, even on a best case, you might get a 0.5% to 1% net gain end of year. Now, again, just predictions. No one knows for sure with all this tariffs and economic uncertainty, or if a crash will even happen. But that's why you need to be aware of your choices. In addition to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, there are various types of fixed indexed annuities that allow for protections, allow for growths. They have options like the S&P 500 there. They have options like fixed accounts on there. And it could be an IRA, Roth, and a non-qualified account as a portion or a piece in your overall portfolio. And some even have on early as a 5-year, maybe a 5 to 10% bonus day one compounding in addition to growth potentials. Again, be aware of all your options, be aware of the pros and cons. My team's always here to help answer questions and provide education as always. I think that was